Hi guys,
One.
hi guys, it's
Hi guys. Yes.
Squad. Today we're gonna be playing Hi the Boys. I don't know
Hi
why.
the boys.
Yeah, I don't know why we picked.
The other members of Panaya is absent, and I'm the new member. Avery.
Yeah, she's the new member, so let's go. Let's friends. Okay,
Go.
sigaw mo sa hangin, di kasi silbing liwanag sa oh. Okay, I think this is a fun day. What
How
should
many?
um
I think two, three ball.
no two
Chicas.
because two tayo eh. Two.
Okay.
Okay, thanks. Mm,
Why do we have to hide the boys?
where's the boys?
Where's the boys? Where's the boys? Oh. What the hell was that? You heard that? Like baby. Hide the body.
Di dito.
Hurry up! I hide mine in the closet.
Mom's gonna go here. I gotta stick it. I won't tell. I gotta stick it to myself. Where's mom?
Telephone. Call police on mom. What the hell?
Put mom in jail. Oh, how?
Why is mom look so ugly?
Yeah, we're not that ugly. Like,
Where's mom?
okay, girl. Oh,
Maybe our father is handsome.
but our mom is ugly. She died.
Yeah. He died?
Mom died.
Did he guns? Bae! Did you hear that? Says Rabbit. You got me whispering like I'm a spy.
Tago.
Oh no! Okay. Bae, the body!
Babe, help! I'm stuck!
Hide the body, OMG. Bae!
I did. Mom won't see that.
Bae!
Pwede
Bae,
ba
the boy! The boy! Bae, we're dead ass.
ito na lang? Besta.
Okay. Bae, hide it! Hide it here.
Wala, be, lumilipad ako. They hide it here. On top of the roof.
Don't know what else to hide it. Perfect. Si Gia! Bae! Hoy, may lang tingin sa akin, wag ka.
Di talaga makikita to ni nanay. This is so ano. Nasa roof ako.
But that's cheating.
You use the boys to go up. Be, where are you?
But I'm gonna bring the boys to the roof also.
This is our strategy. Oh,
How?
no. You jump on their head.
B, I cannot.
You jump on their head.
Oh. With the boy. With the other boy.
Nandito sa akin na. I don't think mom will get suspicious.
Hindi ba nakikita yun?
Hindi. Mom will never see it.
But there's a boy here. Hindi ko raw.
Oh.
Okay. But I'm gonna get the other boys. Let's all put them to the roof.
Yeah.
Even the old ones.
Where's the ano?
Oh my gosh.
Be, ang dami nila. Ito na.
Okay, I'm gonna get yours. So, andito. So, mom will go suspicious.
Army,
And ask, what is it? No.
Army, and
With the body. With the body.
Okay, they're all in the roof
They,
and unconscious. But they're all in the roof unconscious.
yeah. They're all in the roof unconscious.
Oh, ma'am.
Oh, and you.
Okay, yeah.
Mom will never see it.
Oh, no, 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 no. Oh, bana, ulala. Hindi bunga.
Okay. Okay, I'm gonna cry. I got the snowy house, I think. Oh my gosh, what the fuck? Babe, where's the tree? I came for you, Adrenaline. What? That my name is not Adrenaline.
Tatlo ba or no? Army?
Babe, drop a body. Drop a body. I wanna go up. Hurry up!
Okay. Let's
Thanks
tago.
for playing. Babe,
Oh,
I know. Let's hide them here.
under the
Yeah. So, baka mag-helicopter si mom. And then, hindi niya makikita. Hiya! But this looks like Gino.
I think it's Gino, be. Oh
But
no.
don't wanna fit.
Besh, you off gutter. What the hell?
What? They're niggas.
Stop, be. We're recording.
I forgot.
Be, you cut
They're
that
all-
out.
they're literally niggas.
Be, stop. Be, you cut
Best
that
they're one.
out. Mm, they're flying. Whee! Giga go, giga go, giga go.
They will have to fix them. Black nigga. Mom, there's boys in
Be,
the room.
nakuha ko siya sa butt niya. Look.
Mom is arriving. Hey, look at this boy. He looks like he's crawling. No,
Oh.
this boy is mine. Oh, kaya.
Okay.
Be ako na yung sa mga boys,
Oh,
diba?
I'm lagging. This Gino. Hello.
Be, make ano?
Ano?
How do you make a thumbnail?
I make.
How?
Ah!
But this is fun. Bowling, look.
Bowling.
Wow! Siya. Siya.
Oh my gosh. Let's actually hide them.
There's no boy here.
Belle, let's actually hide them. Later.
Paano to mga to?
I don't I don't know. They just stay.
Okay, let's actually hide. The boys have shrunk.
Where's the boys?
So that means their ano is also small.
But we can stuff them into this.
They're so cute.
But stuff them here.
Yeah. They're gonna kiss. Pretend they're dolls.
Ayaw mag-grab to sa akin. Lagay mo. Okay. Where's my phone? Garagoon.
Wait lang.
We need to block her mom. Go. Hi guys, we
Hi,
switched
guys.
to another game, but it's still
Yeah.
similar to hide the body. Okay, let's go.
Yeah, wait. Let me just...
Oo, bayaan.
How do I off the
Robot pa yan.
music?
It's okay.
Robot pa yan.
Where are you? Oh,
Billy?
what? Are we really gonna
Ah!
come with this dude?
No, here. Sino to? Where are you? Okay, here. Be, join here.
Nananapay mo.
Try na lang.
Try na lang.
Let's do
Hindi
this.
kasi ito.
Hindi
Ta-da-da! Da-da-da-da-da!
My friend is coming to visit.
Okay. Oh,
Are we gonna do? We gonna kill?
oh, oh my God, be,
Ha?
Kaya mo. Ayan.
be,
Sige, pag-ikya.
Kunin mo na sa rip.
Ari, oh. Ilapas ko na. Batikas na.
But I can't open the door.
where's the
Yeah.
knife?
Mm.
Be, we need the knife. Saan yung knife?
Five.
I don't know.
Saan yung
What
knife?
will happen?
Kaya
Where's
mo.
the knife?
Kahit. Kaya mo.
Gosh.
Where's the knife? Bro!
Ano gulo? Just ano din, be. No!
Restart.
Where's the knife?
Where's the knife? I don't know where's the knife, so that's quite unfair. Where? I cannot see the knife. Babe, where's the knife? Where did you find the knife?
It's on the ano pala.
Tulungan na lang kita mag-guide ng body. Be, ang dami! Be! Ang unfair ng game na to, not gonna lie. Ang unti ng time natin.
What's up?
Bro!
Let's wait. Let's go to lobby. I think I did something. Okay. Where are you?
Be!
Yeah.
Be! Alisin mo muna yung record. Okay. Okay, sorry guys.
Yeah. Let's go.
We got kicked out.
Let's do 2 strangers or 1.
Let's do 2.
Okay. But,
No, never mind. 1-1.
okay.
Di ba 2 yung pilik ko kanina?
Come! May magjo-join na.
I'm here already.
La 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 la.
I hate the strangers. Be, ba't isa lang yung knife?
I don't know.
Ha?
Pagaling ko na si nanay. Gusto na black? Ay, hindi na.
Be, we have to.
Tara ko yan.
Tinago ko
Be, where's the knife? Oh, here.
Hindi pa. Pag-iingi ka lang. No.
Look at it. Oh, it's spinning.
Hindi na siya makakadaan. Oh, I got all the money on me. I wanna want it, yeah. Oh,
Okay, bye-bye. Be, can I try to kill?
okay. Where you hide it?
Wait. Hide him here. Here, oh. Be, in a closet. No, not there. Be. Ano, someone's calling. Be.
Yan.
Put it here.
Be, nandito na yung friend. Be,
Be, there's a head.
Okay, Jack. Nag-head. Paano na ikunin? Paano na ikunin?
Gia, hello. Be, saan yung knife?
Here.
But your tongue is I wish that I was clearer. I could see your point of view. But if I'm glass,
Wait.
I'm a mirror, so you always see.
Ayan.
Oh, no.
Kaya ano niyan.
Hindi
Okay na.
Okay.
Hindi ko bibigay sa inyo.
Oh, alam ko na. Just hide the body. Digo, iko-close ko. Hindi ko ma-close. Hindi ko ma-close. B! Be, close it.
Yeah,
There.
okay. But if
But I feel not. Okay.
24. Wait lang.
Where's the knife?
Nasa bush.
Wala.
Be, ito.
Ayaw.
Let's end it na lang,
Where's the
be.
knife?
Okay, guys. Bye, guys. Since we couldn't find the knife, so bye. Let's say bye.
Bye. Bye.
Bye.